Hello kids! Welcome to my class. My name is Teacher March. It's another great day to start our new learning.
Today, we're going to talk about polygons. Before we proceed to our discussion, let's have a review. We will going to name the following symbols. The first symbol is this. Can you name this symbol? If your answer is ray, that's correct. The next symbol is, what is the symbol? If your answer is line segment, you are correct. The next symbol is this one. What you call to this symbol? If your answer is point, you're right. The next one is this symbol. If your answer is angle, great job. And the last symbol is line. Wow, impressive. You did amazing. Can you see that sign over there? Look at the kite. I'm going to draw it on my sketchbook. Wow, these are polygons.
A polygon is a closed, plane figure made up of several line segments that are joined together. They do not cross each other and two sides meet at a common point. Look at these shapes. Can you see a polygon? The first shape is not a polygon because its line segments are not closed. The second shape is not a polygon either because it has a curved side. That's it! The third shape is a polygon because it's formed by a closed line segment. Polygons are formed in several parts. The sides are each of the line segment that form the polygon. The vertices are the points where all sides meet. The angles are the spaces determined between the two adjacent sides. The diagonals are the line segments that connected two non-adjacent vertices. We can classify polygon in different ways: regular or irregular, and depending on the number of their sides. A regular polygon has all sides and angles equal. An irregular polygon does not have all angles nor all sides equal. Here you can see some examples of regular and irregular polygon. Polygons can be also classified depending on the number of their sides. Triangles are those polygons that has three sides. This slice of pizza has a triangular shape. Quadrilaterals have four sides. This sandwich and kite are quadrilaterals. Pentagons have five sides. This swimming pool has a shape of pentagon. Hexagons have six sides. These honeycomb cells have a shape of hexagon. Heptagon has seven sides. Octagon has 8 sides. Nonagon has 9 sides. And decagon has 10 sides.
We can also be grouped polygons according to its shapes and sizes. The first one is the similar polygons. These are group of polygons with same shapes but different sizes. Here are the examples of similar polygons. similar triangles, similar pentagons, and similar rectangles. The next one is the congruent polygons. This group of polygons has same shapes and sizes. These are the examples of congruent polygons. The first one and second one. Okay, kids, now we will going to try this. The first one is you are going to identify whether each of the following is a polygon or not. Put check or cross mark on the line before the number. I will give you 1 minute to answer this, or you may pause this video to finish your work. Number your paper from 1 to 10. You may start now. Here are the correct answer.
If you got it right, good job!
Okay, next, let's have another quiz. Name each polygon below. I'll give you again 1 minute to answer this. You may pause this video to finish your work. Time's up! The answer in this activity is 1 heptagon, 2 decagon, 3 hexagon, 4 pentagon, 5 heptagon, 6 triangle, 7 hexagon, 8 heptagon, 9 quadrilateral, and 10 decagon. Next, draw a triangle if the polygon is irregular and square if it is regular. Number your paper from 1 to 10. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's check your work. Here are the correct answer.
Very good, kids!
Tell whether the figure is congruent or similar. Write C for congruent and S for similar. It's only 5 items. Oops! Stop writing. Let's check your work. The answers are here. Number 1, similar. 2, congruent. 3, congruent. 4, similar. And 5, congruent.
If you're right, good job! For the next activity, check on the space provided for each number that best describes the given figures.
Or you may write your answer on your paper. The two figures are, is it congruent or similar? Number 2, the two figures are not congruent or not similar. And number 3, the two figures are congruent and similar or not congruent and not similar. Are you done? Let's check your work. We have number 1, congruent. Number 2, not similar. Number 3, not congruent and not similar. Let's have this activity. Illustrate what is being asked inside the box provided. Number 1, two figures that are congruent. 2, 6-sided polygons that congruent and similar. And number 3, 5-sided polygons that are not congruent.
You will submit your answer for this activity.
submit the answer from this activity to your teacher. Great job, kids! Let's have a recap! Now, you're going to choose the answer inside the parentheses to complete the statements. What is polygon? Polygon is a closed or open plane figure made up of several line segments that are joined apart or together. They do not cross or touch each other, and two sides meet at a common line or point.
I'll give you 30 seconds to answer this.
Thumbs up! Let's check your work. Closed, together, cross, and point.
Next activity.
Let's label the parts of the polygon. What are the parts of polygon? I'll give you 30 seconds to answer this. Up! Let's check. Number 1 is sides. Number 2 is diagonal. Number 3 is vertex. And number 4 is angle. Next, let's identify the following. Write your answer on your paper. Number 1, a polygon which all sides and angles are equal. The answer is regular polygon. Number 2, a polygon with 5 sides. The answer is pentagon. Number 3, nonagon has how many sides? The answer is 9 sides. And number 4, this picture is an example of the answer is congruent polygon. Yay!
To test what you've learned, let's have our evaluation. Write T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A heptagon has 6 sides.
The answer is false. Hexagon has 6 sides and heptagon has 7 sides. Number 2, a regular polygon has equal sides and equal angles. The answer is true. Number 3, a pentagon has 5 angles. The answer is true. Letter T. Number 4, decagon has 10 sides. True. Number 5, polygons are closed shapes with straight sides. The answer is true. Number 6, a polygon with 8 sides is a nonagon. It's false. Nonagon has 9 sides and octagon has 8. Number 7, circle is considered a polygon. It is false. Circle has no line segment. Number 8. Irregular polygon has sides that are not equal length and angles that are not equal. The answer is true. Number 9. Similar figures have the same shape but not the same size. The answer is true. Number 10. Congruent figures have the same shape and the same size. The correct answer is true.
You are great!
For your assignment, draw a polygon based on the given characteristics. Number 1. Draw a pentagon with 5 equal sides. Number 2. Draw a hexagonal frame. Draw or paste your family inside the frame. Number 3. Draw an octagonal sign. Write the initial of your name inside. Number 4. Draw a regular hexagon. Name it PQRSTU. And number 5. Draw a regular pentagon. Name it ABCDE.
Good job, kids! I hope you've learned something new today. See you next time. Bye-bye!